Hello, my fun Ashanti tree lovers. We thank God for yet another week. Last week we learned about how to say Mehu wo ache. It's been a while since I saw you. Today we are going to continue with our conversation. We will learn how to say, where did you go? Where did you go? And when did you come? When did you come? Where did you go? Wokɔɔ. Wokɔɔ. Where did you go? Wokɔɔ. And then, when did you come? Da bɛn na wobaeɛ? Da bɛn na wobaeɛ? When did you come? Now, we will repeat it again. Wokɔɔ. Wokɔɔ. Where did you go? Da bɛn na wobaeɛ? Da bɛn na wobaeɛ? When did you come? Good. We shall stop here, and I would like to invite you to our Zoom lessons on Saturday, 11:30 USA time. Join us and learn more. Bye.